Hi, this is Nemir. A lot of us now are under a lot of stress, and perhaps that is creating tensions and anxieties, and even headaches, neck pain and shoulder pain and such like conditions. So I thought a little video to show how we can treat and relax ourselves to feel better in these times. Now, the most important thing is our breathing. Anxiety creates a shallow, quick, or even blocked breath. So one way to reduce anxiety is simply to breathe slowly and deeply. That's all. A long, slow, deep breath, maybe 6 breaths, repeated throughout the day, can do a lot to reduce our feelings of stress, and it also helps the nervous system, which controls the muscles and relaxes the muscles, especially the long out breath. So as well as doing that, we can of course keep our muscles moving. That would mean simply turning the head left, right, up, down, exercising the muscles in this kind of way. Now rotating the neck. Don't forget to do those very simple exercises throughout the day. Third one is to massage our muscles. And this some technique here that we have is one for starting with the shoulder, even the muscles here, is to just roll the fingers across the shoulders like that. Just like a hook with the finger, just roll the muscles. These are the deltoids. Just roll them, and you can roll up into the neck. To make it more strong, use a technique here where you that hook there with the hand, you put a hook to the back. As you can see, this area here, the trapezius. You grab the trapezius, ideally just where it goes near the bone, so between the bone and the muscle, and push with this hand, push it down, push. So this becomes like a tool. This hand is like a tool, and you just push. And there you can go up into the neck area, there, pulling the muscle away from the bone, just stretching it, little C stretches away from the bone, up and down here, and as far as you can go down the spine. There you can do that, of course, both sides, and all the time slow, relaxed breathing. And the third very nice one is this, where we go here and you cramp the muscles that way. Okay, you squeeze and lift the muscles away from the bone like this. You see? Okay. Just squeeze up and down, lifting the muscles away from the bone with that scissor action of your thumbs. Finally, this part here, which is sub-occipital muscles, the ones just below the base of your skull, are very small muscles and often very tight. If we get congestion there, then the blood flow to the brain can really be restricted and even cause problems far from the head in the internal organs, because there's a computer in there, inside here, the deep brain, which regulates everything, and it needs its blood supply from the vertebral arteries, not the carotid arteries, the vertebral arteries. So here we use a technique of press and fold, which is the thumb there is pushed into the space below, just below the spine, the skull, and here, and you push this head, pushes it back, so you don't lean your own head back, which creates contraction in the muscles. You relax the muscles and push them over. Okay, so the muscles, as it were, fold themselves over your thumb point. They fold over and you push in, there. And you can do that all the way around the back of the head. Okay, just where the muscles, those tight muscles, insert into the skull. After you've done that, then your muscles should be quite relaxed, especially if you do them in a relaxed manner with breathing. In a nice relaxed way without forcing the muscles. You can do some exercises to increase or maintain the flexibility. And this is the way, for example, the muscles which turn the head this way and that way. You push, you can block here, here, push your head that way, like you want to do that, resist it, and then relax and push with your arm the other way. So the muscles here do engage. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pull like that. Okay, and the same the other side. An alternative is the muscles here which want to flex the head to the left and the right. Okay, you block, push to flex your head that way, but you block it. So engage the muscles, push, and then relax and pull them down. Push against, try and do that. Push, hold, relax, and bring them down. So both those resistance and then stretching this way, that way, and the final one also, you could, for the back of the head, you try and bring your head back that way, but you resist with your hands. 1, 2, 3, and then you bring them down further. Okay, so you can start from here. Try and bring your head back. 1, 2, 3, and then you stretch by stretching down. Okay, so those are ways to keep what is basically the bridge between your brain and your body nice and open, so that all the energy flow up and down is smooth and undisturbed, and also to relax your muscles and stop that feeling of tightness, of stress from building up. So good luck with that. Thanks, I hope it's useful. Thank you. Bye.